Protest a gwaan. Protest is a gwaan. What we had was a police.
On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype. We make it take flight.
Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, what gwaan. A blessed and wonderful Friday evening to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. And as we all know, my peeps, we have a few stories to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public and also members of the diaspora. So please like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog so you can get a full understanding and a better appreciation of everything we are going in Jamaica. So watch this now, my peeps. For those who have been tuning into the voice of On The Spot News Media over the years, know that I am definitely an avid advocate for the voice of the voiceless. Now the voiceless have reached out to On The Spot News Media and want their voices to be heard. So this evening's set of stories is definitely geared on giving the voice of the people a voice on this platform. So I definitely want to sit back and watch this vlog to the fullest in its entirety so you can get a good feel of what members of Chan Public have to be facing on a day-to-day basis. Now we have seen in recent days that the parliamentarians have granted themselves a pay hike of a max of 300%. Never in the history of Jamaica we have seen where the regular public sector workers have gotten anything over 30%. And now these politicians have granted themselves and their judges and lawyer friends massive increases in salaries. Now I heard the Prime Minister himself, in a speech, he made a statement stating that one of the reasons for this increase is to force the hands of the politicians to work. So they have no excuse now because they are properly paid, so they have to represent the office in the right and proper way. So we are going to start it off right now, Mr. Prime Minister, because I'm going to be posting this also on my Instagram platform, and I will be tagging you and other parliamentarians in it. So we're going to hear from this member of Chan Public who is concerned about the state of the Kingston Public Hospital. So Minister with responsibility for health, Christopher Tufton, this one is directly directed to you and also to the man that you answer to, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. Some peeps want to watch them rather disturbing video here to see how the regular members of Chan Public have to be in this type of condition in the Kingston Public Hospital and the condition that our nurses have to be working in. Watch. It's rather disgusting. Will definitely curl some of your stomachs. But this is our present day reality in our public health system. Watch.
This is Kingston Public Hospital. Cockroaches crawling out of people's bed. All over the place there are cockroaches. Teenage cockroach. And the bed, and the wall. Look at that. KPH. Leave, don't do that. Why are you using your bucket to kill them?
No, no kill me, I kill them. Me did that, me never know so you the bed. I never know you draw the bed.
KPH. Cockroach. And there, cockroach drying off people off the bed. Kingston Public Hospital. Leave him, make him stay. Don't touch him. You let go the bed. Let go the bed. We'll sit down on the chair. The chair not falling. Sit down. Just relax. You're not for lean back?
No, but I make it so weak.
It's not weak. Are you weak? Cockroach.
So to you, the regular members of Chan Public out there, we are the ones living and being treated like dogs in these type of conditions in our public health departments. So when I post this on my Instagram, please tag the Minister of Health and the Ministry of Health in those posts, and also to send this flag to your Minister of Health and your Prime Minister. So to the next one, right now, another member of Jan Public who is presently in the diaspora. She's rather disgruntled about the fact that she's trying to seek audience with her MP, Minister Favour Williams, about getting her land title from her land and house purchased in the Goldsmith Villa era of Augustown, which is definitely long overdue. People have paid their hard-earned cash for these houses and have yet to receive a land title. Now this member of Jan Public, now a member of the diaspora, sent in this video clipping for you to listen to her plea. Watch.
I bought into Goldsmith Villa community almost 10 years ago, right? And the properties, they did not come with titles, right? Land titles. They were, I was told that the land titles were going to be made available soon, and still nothing, right? I have been trying to get everybody on board to pursue the land titles. I've actually donated my time and wanted to volunteer, and still want to volunteer to help in the process of completing the land titles with the administrative process, right? I reached out to Favour Williams, who is my MP for my area. I've reached out to HAJ, I've reached out to NLA. Nobody is responsible for anything. Nobody knows what's going on. Nobody cares. Yeah, can you imagine if the development that Juliet Holness is developing, her private gated community, didn't have titles? You know, it would be a catastrophe. I need a title in order to sell my property. Do you understand? And people basically just need title just to have titles. You know, if they own property, they want the titles. Just give people some dignity and give them the titles. Do you understand? Nobody is asking for any handouts or anything. People just want titles. I want my house title. I want my land title, and I want it now. I've been pursuing it for years and years and years, and Favour Williams is not interested in taking any calls, any emails from people. Everybody tell me she not respond. She not respond. She that's just how she behave. That's how she stay. You're not getting nowhere with her, right? And I'm like, no, I'm gonna try again. You know, I'm gonna come good again, and still I come good and still nothing. You know, I remember a few years ago when I was there, and I said, I'm going to organize a community meeting. And I'm like, yeah, I'm getting everybody involved, and I'm going to invite Favour Williams to come to the meeting and stuff. I emailed her, and she responded, and I was so happy about it. And I invited her to the meeting, and she said, okay, sure, give her the time and date, said she'll come. She didn't come. She did not show up, right? She did not message or email us to say, hey, I'm not coming, right? I'm too busy right now. Please. She didn't do that. She didn't even send a representative. She didn't even message us to ask us, hey, how did the meeting go? She didn't do that, right? She just, yeah, and then I email her back again, just basically ghost us, you know? The reason why people behave like this in Jamaica is because there's no accountability. Do you understand? Basically, whatever they do, right, whether good or bad, it doesn't matter, right? There's nobody to answer to. Nobody cares, right? So I guess people have to take things to social media nowadays, and that's what I'm doing. I hate the fact that I put my face out there, right, because I'm a terribly private person, right? And now my face is out there, but I really had to come on online and say something because I'm really, really frustrated. All I want is a bit of dignity and to be given my land titles and to be respected and to be and to be listened to. That's all, you know. So yeah, I'm still open to working with her, right? But I know everybody in politics in Jamaica has big egos, and when you talk the truth, they get upset and so forth and very offended, and then they don't want to work with people, and then they don't want to do anything for people. I'm still open to working with them. I'm 100% open, but okay, for the last few years, I have been trying to get in contact with Minister Favour Williams. She is the MP for my constituency, right? I have emailed her, I have called her, I have texted her, I have WhatsApp her, and she does not respond. I had a situation where she responded, I think, once or twice to me, right? About, it was just me sending her an introduction, like, this is me, this is what I'm querying and stuff. And then she responded one time, and then she doesn't respond, right? For years and years and years, this is more than 3 years now, I have been emailing this lady, calling her, texting her, calling people who know her to get in contact with her, and just nothing. I'm so tired of trying to get in contact with Favour Williams. I cannot believe this is how she treats people. I would never vote for Favour Williams. I have been calling and calling and calling and texting and emailing, and she just refused to respond, right? This is really, really frustrating. I cannot believe this is how people are treated. This is so awful. Anybody know where Favour Williams is? Please send her this video, right? Hashtag where is Favour Williams? I am tired of it now. I'm a constituency member and I want to be heard, all right? I'm tired and I'm fed up, right? It's been going on for years and years and years, and a lot of people are trying to get in contact with her and they cannot get in contact with her. This is ridiculous. That's all I have to say. Please forward the video to her. Anybody know her? Forward the video and forward it and forward it and forward it and send it to her, because I want her to see how frustrated I am, right? I am not somebody who will come on social media platform, but I have to do it, right? I have to do it so that she can know how frustrating this is, right? These are people, and you need to treat people much better than this. This is disgusting behavior from the minister, and I'm tired of it. Goodbye.
So I have another video clipping that was sent in to me by another member of Jan Public, where taxi men are in solidarity right now, parked along Half a Tree Road, in solidarity with our nation's teachers. It is full time now that teachers, taximan, busman, police, soldier, fireman, nurses, all the civil servants, post office personnels join together and make their voices be heard, because what affects one affects all. So watch this video clip and see what's happening.
Yeah man, see taxi them there. Park up with them bonnet in the air. Andrews High School settings. We always stop in solidarity to the teachers them. Yeah. We want more to come join. Here we are. The students are here. Teachers are here, both male and female. And students are here, the teachers are here. Everybody is here. Yes, they do. Yes, they do deserve it. And a few of the taxi operators that they pull off on everyone. Joining the teachers then. What more come join me, you know? But you know, some of them are run down the dollar.
So the police have sent some boots on the ground to ensure that protesters are maintaining the peace. So we're going to hear from Assistant Commissioner of Police who in charge of traffic, Gary Mackenzie, as he relates to what is going on presently on the ground. Listen.
Gary Mackenzie, Assistant Commissioner of Police, in charge of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch. So we are at the intersection of Knutsford Boulevard and Oxford Road in Kingston, and what we are seeing is a group of persons that have gathered. We are seeing placards where they have some marks on it, and based on the discussion we are hearing, they appear to be speaking about increases. They are orderly. The number of persons are about 80 to 100, and as police officers we are here to ensure the safety, security and the peace within the environment. We will continue to assess and ensure that everything goes orderly.
So now my peeps, me just hope that the ones and ones them see what really are going on the ground and see that no matter which side of the political divide you fall, it is affecting not just one, but it is affecting all. So whether you are PNP or JLP alike, what these politicians are doing from both political divides, can nobody feel say it is just a JLP thing or a PNP thing. It is a political thing. So it is affecting each and every one of us alike. Yeah, man. So we need to join forces, put our hands and heart in it together and demand that these well-paid politicians give us results. Yeah, man. And if not, we must hold them accountable. So anyway, my peeps, a word to the wise is always sufficient. So remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah, man.